He became a member.
The program, the time, the date, the time, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to send you a little thing on
Good job. What's that?
It's a GoPro. GoPro.
What does that mean?
GoPro.
Very good.
How's he here? Does it vote?
Huh?
Does it vote?
No. I do.
You pay your $10?
She said that I can just listen.
Who did?
The lady
Nobody
behind.
said you don't have to pay. I paid. I paid. Who are you?
Huh?
You got a free, get in
How
free?
come everybody's lives don't matter? How come the unborn kids' lives don't matter? Yeah, go ahead and tape it. Put it on YouTube. Yeah, why don't you put it on yourself, you murdering damn bastard?
Who said that? Who said you could stay?
Holy vast.
Exit. Don't film me. Get out of here. Exit now.
He's our sergeant at arms, and he's asking you nicely to leave. Otherwise, I'm going to call the police. I am
Yeah, you're a
in charge of this
murderer. You're
event.
just like Biden.
You need to
Worry
leave.
about school kids, but let's murder the children that are not born.
You need to
You
leave, sir.
damn hypocrite. You ought to be ashamed of
You need
yourself.
to leave. Sir, you need to leave.
He doesn't approve of himself.
Why don't we jail Biden? He's actually doing something like shutting down our energy. Well, they can do it to
You
us.
need to leave.
No, I'm sick of their crap, Angie. They can come here and cause trouble.
You need to leave,
This is
sir.
insanity with these people.
I think she said I could
Stupid
stay.
masks,
I
stupid
am
vaccinations, and
Angie
it's
Anderson.
nonsense. I'm tired of these
Excuse
people
me.
that are ruining the damn country.
Angie Anderson and I are in charge of this event. You are not invited to this event. You need to leave now, or I am calling the police. So please leave.
The handout said that anybody could come.
And you
You don't
didn't.
have to pay the $10.
It does not say that at all. Please leave.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to pay the $10.
I asked you to leave. It's too late at this point. It's too late. Do not accept this money.
I'd like a
Too
ticket.
late.
He doesn't get. He cannot stay.
They called 911. You better
You need
leave.
to leave. We called the sheriff.
Okay. I'd like to buy a ticket.
Get out.
I'd like to buy a ticket.
Get the hell out.
I'd like to buy a ticket.
Hey,
Why don't we
$10.
put it on yourself?
You're not welcome here. You're not
Put the camera on
welcome.
yourself.
Get out.
I'm being
On
attacked.
yourself,
Get out. Get out.
I'm being attacked.
bastard.
Pay $10 and leave.
The door's over there, sir. Sir, the door's over
Get on
that
your
way.
little cell phone.
That way.
You're the problem, not the solution. That's the issue here. Good, let him call him. He's the one here harassing everybody else. Yeah, ask Joe for the money. Ask Joe for the money while you're in next to me with some gas money too. I want some money for my car to get gas.
Safeway on
How about it?
Republicans are just having some kind of
Put down your book.
some kind of
Can't hit a woman. What the hell's wrong with you? Who do you think you are? Move.
You know what? I'm a retired policeman. Your conduct is abhorrent. It's abhorrent. You're going to be arrested and charged with assault. You have no business here. Yeah, you better call him. Yes, he did. He attacked a woman. That's what he's doing. He's attacking women, innocent women, just like they want to murder children. Yeah, go ahead and attack innocent women.
There's somebody down
Yeah,
here.
show yourself. Come on, let's
they're gonna kill
go.
me.
You just hit a lady.
I think
You
they're
just
gonna
hit a
kill
lady,
me.
you two viewers. Let's all pay attention here. This guy crashed into our convention here, and he assaulted a woman, an unarmed woman.
I'm sorry, they're yelling at me. They're attacking me.
Nobody's attacking you.
threatening
You
me.
fell down on your own.
I think
Nobody
they may-
attacked you. He attacked us.
There's a guy
He
here.
hit a woman.
There's a guy here with a...
Oh, yeah, right.
Say again?
Go ahead and tell some more fables. It's bedtime.
I don't know. I would say 12, 15.
No, there's more than that. You're an idiot. You're talking to a moron.
Well, it's the one where they're having a political rally. Well, people were pushing a lady slapped me. I pushed her away, and then about 15 people jumped on me. I'm now on the floor. I may need an ambulance.
You just sit there, mister.
I may need.
You just sit there.
Well, Republicans usually do have.
Yeah, right.
Guns. And there's a guy here that claims he was a
Oh, I'm not claiming anything.
police.
I know what I am. You're a disgrace. That's what you
Well,
are. You're a
I was
disgrace
in,
to the human
oh,
race.
203, yeah. It says 203. Huh?
You attacked a woman. There's no getting around that. We got plenty of witnesses.
Yes, sure.
Disgrace for a human being. Man, I saw you hit her too, and it's on video. Try to get out of that one.
They're saying that I hit a woman, but I was
She
only
did. We got plenty of witnesses.
I was
There's
defending
probably 20
myself,
people in here that
and
saw
I
that.
have.
It's on video as well. We also have it on video.
They knocked me down on the ground,
Well, I'm going to stay here.
and I'm just going to stay here.
I was one.
Yeah.
He's not going anywhere. Find out if she wants to press charges on his butt. Yeah, I'm fine. Find out if she wants to press charges. It's Jim's wife. He hit Jim's wife. He didn't hit me, or he wouldn't be standing up. He hit me. I wrapped his cane around his damn skull.
They're threatening me.
Good, how are you? No, you're fine. We're good, brother. Yeah, no, we're good. Yeah, you post everything on YouTube, so there's all your counter posts. Anything you got, good luck. Make sure you tell Joe about it. Old Joe and Camel Toe and all the rest of them.
Are you still there?
This is an event for everybody, but not for people that want to cause problems.
Yeah, I'm still here, and
Civil unrest. You guys are good at that.
there's one
You're
guy
great
I
at
think
that.
is crazy or drunk. They're all kind of drunk.
No, we're not drunk. I've been drinking water and iced tea. I'm not drunk. Don't tell anybody I'm drunk. Because you have no proof of it,
Well,
number one.
I'm laying down
I'll
on
sue
the
your
ground.
ass
I'm
for
afraid if
libel
I
in a
stand
heartbeat.
up, they'll
Don't
attack
give
me
me that
again.
crap. You have no idea who you're dealing with here. No, none at all.
Is it okay if I just stay where I am? Because I think if I try to leave, they're probably going to kill
Nobody
me.
hurt you. You hurt a woman. You attacked an unarmed woman.
Yeah, I am.
Yes. Well, it is.
Come on in.
Okay.
Right over here is the sign-in desk. Get your tickets for your food and your drinks.
There's me. They knocked me down. They tried to steal my necklace. I have a
Keep lying just like you always do. You people are good at doing that. You're always good at lying.
precious necklace on. And as they pushed me out the door, and
She's got his wife has him on tape, didn't she? On the phone.
I'm on the floor just outside the door to the room.
He needs to go to jail.
I'm wearing a jean shorts and a black shirt that has Black Lives Matter on it. I think that's what drove them all crazy. Great, thank you. Right, as soon as they're here, I'll be able to get up, I think, although my knee is hurting quite a
Stay
bit.
down there. That's what he needs to do. Remove some pregnant stain.